Construction project management is a specialised service that basically takes a construction project from the design stage, and you're responsible for planning it and then executing the construction and then delivering a final building to the client at the end.
We know that construction globally is equivalent to building a new New York City every 3 to 4 weeks.
One of the unique parts of working in the built environment, especially in the real world, is you don't just work with the people that you studied with. Even working in construction management, I will work a lot with town planners and architects and these designers. And so through our BEAL courses, our built environment interdisciplinary learning subjects, we get to sort of interact with each other a bit more and learn a bit about the other courses.
I've found that flexibility is the greatest and the course material is really exciting to work with.
Construction involves various stakeholders with varying interests: designers, clients, workers, and more. Innovative technologies such as blockchain are now used to manage construction contracts. Innovative technology can also assist in safety in construction projects. For example, smart booths connected to Wi-Fi can prevent accidents and inform the site manager directly about any of those incidents.
Don't expect the standard university experience. That integrated learning where you're getting on-site or professional work experience along with upskilling your theoretical knowledge. And that's what really sets UNSW Construction Management apart from other universities.
So for me personally, I'm already employed full-time. I work for myself as a Sparky, but completing this degree means that I can go out and apply for my own builder's license once I get the experience that I need. And once that's done, then I can move towards becoming a property developer, which is what I ideally want to do. I have had an awesome time studying at UNSW. Yeah, I've really enjoyed it.
At UNSW, we are committed to ensure that our students understand the transformative impact that these technologies have on construction.